show you how to disable the speakers on your AirTag. But first, I will now test the AirTag from its unmodified state. So I'm going to play sound here. As you can see, the speaker still works in its unmodified state. Now let's get the iPad out of the way and tear this down. So first, remove the battery, use your fingernails and just turn it counterclockwise and remove the battery. And then next, use a flathead screwdriver and pry around the seam here. It's held down together by glue, so it may take a few tries. Oh, as you can see, it's not making a gap, so that is good. Pry around so you don't damage the internal component. And there we go. As you can see, that's the circuit board and there are two speaker terminal, 1 and 2 right here. So I would just remove one of the copper wire that led to the terminal. I'm just gonna do it like this. And there we go. Just whichever terminal you want to remove. And that's it. Now we only have to put back, like with the battery hole on here. So like this. Just press it in. It may take a few tries. And I will put the battery back. And there we go. It's now put back successfully. And now let's verify the connections. Now I'm going to grab the iPad, which is right here. Zoom out real quick. Now I'm going to place the AirTags right here. And I'm going to play a sound. As you can see, it still works, but there are no sound present. Let's try again. And there are no sound present. And it's still connected to the AirTag successfully. And that's it. That's how you disable the speaker on an AirTag. Thanks for watching.